Hello friends. Now we are starting a new series JavaFX 2D tutorial. So in this first part we will get introduced to JavaFX and we will learn how we can use NetBeans with JavaFX. Then we will learn building blocks of the JavaFX and what are all the components involved in JavaFX when you develop the application. So all this stuff we will learn. So JavaFX is an API to build rich applications. So which can be used in devices like desktop computers, mobile phones and tablet PC, and you can call other devices. So before JavaFX, one should depend on many libraries to perform 2D drawings, 3D drawings, animations, and some of the rich UI based controls. So if you see, previously we covered Java 2D to perform 2D drawings. So, but the Java 2D is given to you by the Java SDK itself. But before JavaFX was released, you should depend on third-party libraries to perform 3D drawings, animation, and other stuff. But now with JavaFX, you can do all these stuff in one single umbrella. One can make desktop as well as rich internet applications using JavaFX functionality. That means, let's say you are performing a 3D drawing. You can do that in the desktop application, or you can even do that in the internet-based application. Or if you are building a rich UI using the JavaFX controls, you can use those controls in a desktop application as well as internet-enabled application or internet-enabled modern web browser. Say for example, Edge and Chromium browser can still render rich UI controls built on JavaFX. JavaFX offers you rich UI controls. That means in Java SDK, if you see, you can create a text box from AWT, Abstract Windowing Toolkit, or you can create the same text box in Java Swing as well. Now JavaFX offers you a new kind of text box. So there are plenty of options for you to just display a text box. You can either use AWT, or you can use a Swing, or you can use the control offered by the JavaFX. So JavaFX offers rich UI controls. So FX offers you an XML based configuration called FXML. So it's a configuration file, we can say. The configuration file contains all the required settings. Say for example, if you are developing the UI based application, for simplicity reason I am not taking 2D or 3D graphics now. Let's say it contains a label, username, then a text box, and one more label, and a text box for a password, then OK cancel button, and username text box. Let's say when username doesn't exist, the text box will render something in red color. So all this stuff you can keep in the FXML. That means the UI part, how the text box should be constructed, where it should located in the container, what is the size, and what is the forecolor, back color, all those stuff you can specify it in the FXML itself. So the runtime will read the FXML and construct object, say for example the text box, based on what is configured in the fxml file. So we will learn more about fxml file in some other playlist. Here in this playlist we will concentrate on 2D drawing, and we will cover the 2D drawing quite faster, because we covered 2D drawing extensively in AWT graphics based code, and there is a separate playlist for Java 2D, and because of that reason here in FX, in JavaFX, we will cover some 8 to 12 examples. Then we will move on to 3D and UI controls. Alright, so JavaFX offers you rich UI control, and it offers you fxml, and JavaFX provides the APIs to perform 2D and 3D graphics. It also offers you to perform animation. Again, the animation can be in 2D space or it can be in the 3D space. Also, you can apply material and lighting in the 3D space. So all these functionalities are offered by JavaFX. So then there is a separate utility called Scene Builder, which you can use to perform GUI design. So we already learned some GUI design tool. The NetBeans provides an inbuilt GUI tool to design a swing-based application. And when we learned about Java 2D, that time we got introduced to Window Builder plugin that works well with Eclipse. So likewise, there is a tool called Scene Builder. You can use that to build your JavaFX UI as well as 2D as well as 3D parts or graphics, we can say. So in this playlist, we will learn 2D graphics support, and in the future playlist, we will talk about UI controls and 3D support as well as animations. That's all here in this video. You just got introduced to JavaFX basics. Thank you for watching. Bye.